Welcome back. So I've made it to my house. I've pulled the fuse from the PDCC pump to prevent the pump from running. I've also bought some oil, a little bit, power steering fluid, so I can fill up the remaining part, and that's the message that I'm getting. As you guys can see, here we go, PDCC fault. Let's go and check underneath to see what kind of damage it's in there. All right. So let me see. This is the PDCC. Okay, the oil's still in there, so that's good. Meaning that it wasn't leaking, wasn't running. There's no leaks of VH as well from the current one until I plug in the pump and starts pushing the fluid all around. All right, let's take a look at this shit. You see this oily stuff? Hopefully you guys can see that. It's right here. Oh boy, a whole subframe. Gonna do extensive wash on this baby. All right. So that's what happens when you take a little bit of faster corners on the highway, because that's actually what happens. But not really. I've just noticed that before, when I checked the car half an hour ago, I've noticed that the hose is it's cracked a little bit, rubbed on. It was rubbing on something, and it punctured eventually. Oh boy! Good thing it's not something else. Gonna look at the price in a second, and gonna get the job done soon. All right, guys, stay tuned for another update. More like an repair. But I love this car. It's a fantastic vehicle. Amazing vehicle. The way it drives, handles. But one thing that I noticed, that without this PDCC pump, this Porsche Cayenne GTS is no longer a GTS. The PDCC pump makes this GTS a GTS. Really nice system. All right, stay tuned, guys. See you in the next episode.